Hey there, fellow binge watchers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling something that's been on a lot of minds: how to clear your Netflix watch history in 2025. Whether you're trying to keep your viewing habits private, sharing an account with family, or just want a fresh start without those awkward recommendations, this quick guide has got you covered. It's easier than you think, and we'll walk through it step by step. First things first, fire up your Netflix app on your phone, tablet, or head over to the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to clean up. Once you're in, tap or click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will drop down a menu. Go ahead and select Account or Manage Profiles, depending on what you see. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Viewing Activity or Watch History. Netflix might have tweaked their interface a bit by 2025, but it's usually under your profile settings. Click on that, and you'll see a list of everything you've watched recently. To clear it all, look for a button that says Clear Viewing Activity or something similar. If you want to be more selective, you can click the X next to individual titles to remove them one by one. After you've made your selections, hit Submit or Clear to confirm. Netflix will ask you to verify this action, just to make sure you don't accidentally delete something. Once that's done, your history is gone, poof. It might take a minute for the changes to fully kick in, but you'll notice your recommendations starting to refresh soon. Why bother clearing your history? It helps maintain privacy, improves personalized suggestions, and keeps things feeling new. If you're on a shared account, this can prevent spoilers or unwanted surprises. There you have it. That's how you keep your Netflix slate clean in 2025. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.